Hello fellow wood chopperoos, Chad here, and I want to show you something that I'm working on. I have this piece of wood that's about 2 inches wide, and I'm trying to cut out these partial circles to it. Now, I'm trying to keep the circle about 2 3/4 inches wide, but more importantly, what I'm trying to do is keep it only 1 inch down into the wood. Now, the easiest way to do this would be to take a large piece of wood, and in this case a 3-inch hole saw, and you could drill your 2 holes and then run this down on the table saw and cut that out. Then you'd have your 2 individual pieces. But there's a problem there. What if this is a really expensive and rare piece of wood? By doing that method, you can see that I'm going to waste about 1 1/4 inches of material. That could be costly. Or more important, what if you have a limited amount of wood? You certainly don't want to go wasting anything. So let me show you how I'm going to cut these out without wasting any wood. So I'm here at the drill press, and I have a couple of things set up. First of all, I got a couple of scrap pieces of wood, one for the bottom here, and another for the fence, and I have that all clamped down so it doesn't move. I have the 3-inch hole saw in here, and I found the center of that hole saw, and I drew a line out. Now, on my piece of wood where I want to put these arches in, I found the center of where that arch will be, and also the depth down for where I want the arch to stop, and I'm going to line that up with the line on my sacrificial board, and of course clamp it. Now I'll just simply drill it out. I'm letting that stop spinning so it doesn't throw the scrap piece of wood at me. And there you are, a perfect arch cutout. I will say you want to test this on a scrap piece so you make sure you can adjust your fence to get it to stop at the perfect depth that you want. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick tip. And if you're curious what it is that these pieces are going on, well, stay tuned for a future episode of Wood Chopping Time where I'll show you this project that I'm building. Don't forget to check out more quick tips and our Just Plain Board series. And if you like what you saw, subscribe. Until then, keep on dancing.